Top 5 Best Shop Vacuums. Here are the list of number 5. VacMaster 4-gallon VF408. Concluding with every necessary accessory, it requires no more extra output. While you are cleaning with it, you must wonder whether this vacuum stores well. Despite the small body, it was made with HEPA-rated cartridges, filter and dust collection bag, which eliminates your concern. Here are the list of number 4. VacMaster 12-gallon VBV1210. New and get more features with this yellow VacMaster vacuum. It only has perfect appearance designing but also best functions. It includes 7-foot hose, which is big enough to pull all dust, and added 12-foot cord with cord wrap, 2 extension wands, car nozzle. Here are the list of number 3. ShopVac 1.5-gallon. Similarly, it also attached dolly with easy roll casters. There are many differences as well. During the operation, it doesn't produce loud sound, which is unlike other old vacuums. Helping you with every hardship, this cute silver and blue vacuum can absorb and clean any place. Here are the list of number 2. ShopVac 5,986,000 5-gallon 4.5. This wet and dry vacuum has stainless steel tank. No matter what contain inside the tank will not be rust, making you easier to move. It was made with the rolling wheel, so whether it is heavy or light, you have no worried at all. Here are the list of number 1. Armor All 2.5-gallon AA255. With this handful, mobile vacuum can be moved to anywhere, no burden. It is orange and black color, which includes super equipment able to suck all dirt and leaves no dust. There are many onboard accessories such as 2-inch-1 utility nozzle with brush crevice tool, deluxe car nozzle. Check the description below for details and prices. If you like this video, please like, comments and share it. Thanks for watching. Top 5 Best Shop Vacuums. Here are the list of number 5. VacMaster 4-gallon VF408. Concluding